The war in the Middle East is threatening to light a fire under our living standards. And most people are worried about what was on the way for the next couple of months. That's according to the Credit Union Consumer Sentiment Survey. So what can we do? Well, some things we can do to prepare for the coming worsening situation is, for example, get a better energy deal. Only small numbers of people ever bother to switch accounts. About 47,000 people switched electricity accounts in January out of a total of more than 2 million electricity customers. And you can get massive savings if you get a better deal off another supplier or even your own supplier. You can get a discount of up to 20%. Now that could be worth €400 a year on your electricity alone. And if you have gas and electricity, you could be talking about a savings here of €700. Another one to do is if you're coming near the end of your mortgage or you're on a variable rate, maybe consider switching or just fixing even. Just fix lock in at the moment because the rates are pretty good at the moment. They're at a 3-year low, but they may well go up because the European Central Bank will want to put up interest rates to try and calm down inflation. Another thing to do is to look at your health insurance. We've seen massive increases in health insurance premiums and they're due to go up again in April. So shop around for better cover, get onto your health insurer, tell them what you can afford and say you want a better deal. Maybe take on a small excess, that's the amount you have to cover if there's a claim. Consider a corporate plan. These are all things you can do. Another thing you could consider is filing a tax return. The average refund for people who filed a tax return last year was about €1,000. Now that's a whack of a lot of money, so that could help. If you're a motorist, maybe drive more carefully, try and consider whether you really need to drive because petrol and diesel have become very expensive and are going to get more expensive. If you're shopping and you need to go to the supermarket, well, shop smart. Look for those bargains. Always look up at the top shelf or the bottom shelf, not necessarily in front of your eye line, because sometimes there's better deals there. And try and avoid express supermarkets and convenience stores because the big supermarkets tend to have better offers.